In this video, we are going to show you how to install an Apache Web Server. As a Java developer, you need to be able to know how to install web servers. We will start with the simplest web server, the Apache Web Server, and then the next web server installation lesson, we will then learn how to install the Tomcat server. So for now, let's get into it. We will be installing Apache Web Server on a CentOS server. First, we need to log in, and no matter what user you used, you always need to switch user to root. So we will say sudo su-. Always do this for your installations so that you always have full privileges. Being an CentOS server, we need to update packages. So we'll start with yum update, and it's up to date. The next thing we need to do is we need to install Nano. I have already installed Nano on the server, but if we didn't, you would say yum install Nano. This is the command we need to type to install Apache HTTPD and reply with a Y. This is not a difficult installation. It should be completed very quickly. There are two commands we need to run to open the firewall to allow the web pages to be accessible on the internet. First, we need to run this command. Now, I've already installed it on this server, so it's giving me a warning to tell me that that's already installed, but that's fine. That's the command you need to run. And then to activate it, you need to run this command. Success means the rule has been activated. Now, to test this, I'm going to go to the HTML folder. And that's where your static content goes. In the next lesson, we are going to use this server first. We are going to learn how to install Hugo, use Hugo to create a static website, and we will look at that. Now let's create a test page. Now that we have opened our editor, let's put in the minimum tags we need. I've put here hello web world, and then we can try connecting to it internally. We can use the curl command. This is the localhost URL, and there you are. We have retrieved that back. But we can also go on the internet. I've now opened the site where this is on the browser. And you can see there it is. Just to show that we are not cheating, let's change that and make the web uppercase and the world uppercase. And let's go back to the browser. And if we refresh the browser, Control F5, there we are. We have published the instructions on our own blog. If you look below, we'll give you a link to the blog. Here is our blog with this article, Installing Apache Web Server. The procedures for what was just done now, you will find everything there. Thank you for watching our video. Please click on the like button. And also please subscribe to this channel so we can update you with all new articles that we publish in our YouTube channel. Thank you for that.